Hi and welcome. Today we're going to be working on our lip area using our Gua Sha tool. So ideally you have a little bit of face oil on your skin already and a Gua Sha tool like this. So let's get started. So we're going to get started here with a little curve here on our tool. So you have a little bit of face oil on around your lips already. So this technique right here is really wonderful for releasing any tension in this area right here, boosting the blood circulation, but also reducing the lines that we have here around our lip area and really smoothing out this whole area. So we're going to place our 2 fingers here, take the tool, and you're going to go slightly above the lip area here. You want to gently sweep all the way out like this. Wonderful. We're going to go on the other side. Wonderful. Now you can go on the lip area here. This technique is also really wonderful for plumping the lips as well. Great, we're gonna go on the under lip right here, bottom lip. On the other side. And here underneath as well. Wonderful. So this technique is wonderful for plumping the lips and really reducing the lines and wrinkles that we have around our lips right here, releasing any tension as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.